Everyone, dear students, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the previous class, we were discussing exercise part of the lesson called Who I Am, that is multiple intelligences. Already we have completed three types of intelligences. Here, first one we have seen visual intelligence, second one verbal intelligence, third one mathematical intelligence. Today let us move on to the next intelligence. Here, that is bodily intelligence, next one musical intelligence, fourth one interpersonal intelligence. Here, first one, that is bodily intelligence. What do you mean bodily intelligence? Bodily means the title itself shows that body, it is related to the physical appearance of the human being. It is related to the physical appearance of man. Here, in bodily intelligence, you can see example here. You like to example control your body. Second one, movements and handle objects skillfully. You have a good sense of balance and can catch or hit a ball well, and like to dance. You like to move around while learning. It is totally related to the physical activity. In bodily intelligence, you have to control your body, and when you are playing any match or any sports, where you have to use your physical appearance, that is called bodily intelligence. Here you can see the example. For example, here you are good at dancing. Here dancing, it is related to your physical appearance, your physical activity. Next, physical coordination, sports, crafts, acting here, miming, using your hands to create or build. That is clap. Okay, whenever you have to clap, where you have to join your two hands, that is bodily intelligence. Next, you can become a dancer. If you want to become a dancer, that is bodily intelligence. Next, athletic, physical education, teacher, actor, firefighter, and craft person. So this is all about bodily intelligence. I hope you have understood. Bodily intelligence, once again I will tell you, it is related to the physical appearance of the man. With the help of physical appearance or physical activity, we can show our intelligence, that is bodily intelligence. Okay, next one, musical intelligence. Musical intelligence, it is related to the music. Here example, you like to play and enjoy music. You think about sounds, rhythms, and patterns. You immediately respond to music, either appreciating or criticizing what you hear. If you want to hear something, sometimes you hear music, song, and so this is all about sound. This is all about a musical intelligence. In musical intelligence, we have seen some. We see some musical aspects. Here we have. You can see in the box. You are good at singing. Here, singing, it is related to the musical intelligence. If you are good at singing, that intelligence is known as musical intelligence. Okay, next, playing musical instruments. Musical instrument is also comes under musical intelligence. Next, understanding the structure and rhythm of music, and here before that one more, composing music. If you want to write a poem, that is also musical intelligence. Here you can become musician. Yes, some students have ambition to become musician or best singer. Next, disc jockey, singer, composer. Some of them have a, a dream like to become composer. So this is all about musical intelligence. It is related to the music, that is musical intelligence. Next one, that is interpersonal intelligence. In interpersonal intelligence, we have to understand others, means you try to see things from other people's point of view in order to understand how they think or feel. You are a good organizer and manage to get other people to cooperate and work as a team. You have to understand other feelings. Feelings means you have to understand others' opinion. That is called interpersonal intelligence. Here we have example. Here you can see you are good at seeing things from others' view, listening, understanding other people's moods and feeling, solving problems, cooperating with groups, noticing people's moods, communicating, building trust. So this is all about interpersonal intelligence. Next one, here we can create, for example, you can become counselor, a salesperson, politician, a business person, and teacher. So this is all about interpersonal. With these words, dear students, I hope you have understood, and thank you for listening this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.